guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring you this peachy, glowy, like really glam look. I'm actually really in love with this look, so it looks really nice to me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Keep going. Alright guys, so first I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And this one is in Deep Dark 50. And yeah, I'm just going to apply this all to my lid. So I can this is kind of just the base for, not at least have eyeshadow primer yet, and everyone just uses concealer now. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. Just applying that everywhere. And I'm going to blend it out with this smaller brush. This is a concealer brush. You guys also don't mind my nails. I'm actually really upset because the lady that did my nails, okay, these are the colored acrylic type thing. And I'm just confused why it's coming up from the root. It's coming up from right there. That doesn't make any sense. Coming up from right there, and what? That doesn't make any sense to me. So yeah, and then when I went back to ask her, because she fix it and stuff, she was like, the man is coming. I don't have time. I'm like, you don't have time. I'm your customer. There was no one else in there. I was like, yeah, I'm not going to there anymore. It's not like they were busy, so I literally was the only person in there. And she acted like she couldn't fix one nail, and I was just confused. But yeah, I'm going to go in with the Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to be taking the Peaches and Cream shade. I'm going to just set that in place. Now I'm going to go in with Puree, and I'm going to put that into my crease. I'm just mainly focusing this on the outer corner, kind of, and just buffing it out, just blowing it out basically. I just really want a blown out, kind of peachy look. And this brush is the Morphe M504 brush. Then I'm going to go in with a smaller shade and take Summer Yum. I'm going to just go in and put that right down, right on the outer corner, but at the bottom, closer to the lash line. I get into doing my nails more, but you know how that goes. It kind of just, I don't know. I don't really like to do it because I feel it looks I feel handicapped a little bit. Just I can't really do everything. But apparently, once you wear them for a while, you're able to do more things. And then I'm gonna go in and take Georgia right here, and I'm gonna run that into right here, the very front part of my eye, with the lid. I don't know why, but I just feel there hasn't been any good movies recently. Really, what happened to all the movies? There are no good ones. I feel they don't make movies like they used to. And the production and everything. I know it takes a lot to make a movie, to create the storyline and stuff. Everyone just seems it's all the same nowadays. Taking a smaller brush, and I'm gonna go back into Puree. And this one's more of a circular, kind of defined brush. I'm just gonna go in and basically just reinforce the color. Now first I'm going to probably go into Candy Peach, and I'm going to put this into my inner corner. I want to see how this looks. Okay, I feel it's not showing up. I'm going to spray some water on the brush first. Let's see. And then go back into the color, the shade, and then see if it will show up a little bit more. Okay, I don't really like that, so I'm going to go into just Peachy right above it, and I'm going to just try to do the same thing, but okay, that's much better. This color kind of looks like neon. I really like it. For the eyes, that's it for now. So I already applied my Milk Makeup Blur Stick. So I'm going to go in with my NYX HD Studio Photogenics Concealer. That's a long name. And this one is in Cappuccino. Or, yeah, Cappuccino, or I think the number 2. I'm going to go over my mouth with this. I just like to do this because, like, I don't know, just make sure, because I hate like when my mouth looks dark. Like this helps with that. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this one is in 368, and this is the matte and poreless one. So first I'm gonna blend this out with my Morphe M439 brush. I don't know why I keep looking at the brush, like I use this every single day, so I don't know why I don't know the name of it by now. And we go with the foundation. And I mainly focus my foundation like my lower half of my face because I don't know, I just don't want to like really look cakey. Now I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep, and I'm gonna go all through my highlighter areas. And I'm just like tapping lightly like this, just to blend it out. See, like, I don't know, this concealer is really good even though Tarte is like, you know. And then tap this part. You never want to swipe with your makeup. I know a lot of people do that, so just basically tap it into your skin. Also, I've been getting so many questions on like how I grow so fast on social media. I'm just wetting my Real Technique sponge. And I don't know, all I have to say is like consistency. Like I really was consistent. First I was posting every day, and then when I started to get like way more engagement and everything, actually it was just like kind of one picture really blew up for me, and like it just kept going up from there. But it was me being consistent, learning what works and what didn't work, you know. And I posted every single day. So I kept my engagement already up from when I like had a small following, so that it was really easy that like those people already came with me, my engagement was high. And then when I got like when a picture went on the explore page and stuff, that also was, you know, I don't know how to describe it. So that's really what helped me. Just taking my Laura Mercier powder and just wrapping this right underneath my eyes. I really want to try the Fenty Beauty products. So like, they look so good. I haven't had new makeup in a long time, so I really need to get some new stuff to try some new things. Yeah, I'm just trying to prioritize my money, not really spend anything. A little money, you know. I'm gonna take this CoverGirl Clean Bronzer. This one's in Ebony, and also using this e.l.f. highlighter brush. So I'm just gonna go around the brim of my face with this. So basically like focusing this really close to like my sideburns. Like this brush is like really so fluffy that it just disperses the product really nicely. So you want to get a brush like this, or you can just get this brush, and it's like, I think it's really inexpensive. Any e.l.f. product is really inexpensive. This probably brush was like a few dollars. Okay, now I'm going to go in with these two colors, and I'm going to smoke my bottom lash line out. So first with the Puree. And then with Summer Yum. And then I'm gonna take okay, so this like crack shade in my palette, and this is the Dare to Create palette. I'm gonna really take that, and probably I'll let you guys know, but just to show you, a mixture of this shade and like this shade and this shade. First I'm taking that dark brownish orange shade. Putting it right underneath my lash line. And that first orange shade, I'm taking that, putting it right close to, like the closest to my lash line. Then I'm going and contouring my nose. And I just forgot to do it, so I'm just gonna do. I'm just like putting it into my brow bone also, like right here, so it can just blend nicely. Everything can be seamless. Now I'm applying some mascara. Sorry you guys, I wasn't zoomed in this whole time. So sorry. Hopefully I'm gonna try to do it when I'm editing, but I'm just gonna apply this mascara right to my lower lash line. I love the look of like so much mascara. But yeah, this summer, since no school and I'm in LA, it's over, you know? I'm just gonna really be working really hard, like every day. I should be filming. I'm gonna try to post a whole lot and get back on track my Instagram schedule, because last week for finals week I missed the whole entire week, and that should never ever happen. So look how big of a difference mascara makes. And like a lot of my like these lashes, my natural lashes, they came out because of lash extension and all this other jazz. So, you know, my bottom lashes are still intact, but my top lashes are just like, what are you doing, babe girl? Okay, sticking with like the peachy vibe, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in Crown of my Canopy, and I'm going in with this Morphe in 510 brush. I'm just gonna highlight everywhere. I love the glow, just something about it. Just can't, it's like kind of addicting. This one's so inexpensive and it's so good. Like, you need to run and go get yourself this right now, especially for my shade, because you know how some can look ashy. This doesn't. It looks so natural. It just blends in. Okay, I'm gonna take my lip pencil that I always take, which is in the Indicate Cocoa lip pencil, and I'm gonna line my lips. Just love this lip pencil so much. I'm taking this Alina Lashes liquid lipstick, and this is in Orlando. I'm just applying a little bit there. I'm gonna do something weird. I'm gonna apply this ColourPop concealer in Dark 48. Okay, and I'm gonna apply some clear lip gloss, and this one is just the Coconut Oil Broadway one, the one at the beauty supply store that's $1. So, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. Yeah, because I don't like how dark it looks. Perfect. And now I'm gonna apply lashes, and these lashes are from AliExpress. I get them in a pack of 5, so yeah, I'll try to link them down below, but they're really just really inexpensive. If you look up false eyelashes, and they're just like the ones that come in all 5. So a pack similar to this, but like they just have different ones. So I'll try to link them down below, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna find them again. So yeah, but I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is a finished makeup look. I'm about to do my hair and stuff, so I might refilm this, but yeah, if I don't, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. I really do love all of you guys, and I'm so excited for the journey. Like, you know, I'm so excited for how far I've come and like where I'm going and stuff like that. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You know, follow me on all my social media links, they'll be down below. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.